Hey friends, I'm Shanna with LifefulAndFrugal.com. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel. At Lifeful and Frugal, we teach you how to live a healthier, happier, more beautiful life on less. From healthy whole food recipes to gardening, home decor, and holistic health, we're your one-stop shop for all things full and frugal. If that sounds interesting to you, we would love to invite you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell so you never miss any of our new videos. Today I'm sharing a recipe for Cajun chicken pasta. This is a really fantastic weeknight meal because you can throw it together in 30 minutes. It's so tasty. My boys love it. And usually I make it when they go to band practice. My oldest son plays the drums and my youngest plays the bass guitar. And so they'll go off to practice, and of course when they come home they're starving. So this is a really great weeknight meal. It tastes amazing, it's super easy, and I hope y'all enjoy. Alright y'all, I hope you enjoyed the recipe for Cajun chicken pasta. If you give it a try, we'd love to hear about it. And if you change it up and you make it your own by adding different ingredients, we'd love to hear about that as well. I love recipes that are flexible, that you can change based on whatever you have in the pantry or the fridge. It just makes it nice because you know what to make, but you can kind of put a different spin on it. I love that. So thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for your likes, your shares, and your comments. Those help with the YouTube algorithm and all the social media platforms so much. And we just thank you again for watching, and we hope you have a wonderful day.